Living in this part of Idaho, it's fun, but also can be a little challenging sometimes. Like where I live in Winchester, there's like nothing to do. They have a lake. That's about everything that's in that town. As soon as I started taking the course, I told my boss, I told my teachers, I told my parents, I told everybody. I was like, I'm taking a culinary course, guys. They were really excited for me.
Greyson is full of life. Like, he is just animated and amazing. We ask our kids to take health through IDLA. We do not have a high school health teacher. Because we're so small, we rely on IDLA to fill in some of those credit needs for our high school kids. He was interested in taking another IDLA class, and so he worked with our site coordinator and found this Intro to Culinary Arts, which is amazing because his end dream is to be like a Michelin star chef, and he's just very passionate about it.
I'm going to be cooking a T-bone steak with a balsamic vinaigrette glaze. This is my Missy in place, and Missy in place is, I think, French for everything in its place. I have all my ingredients and food ready in its place, measured out, weighed out to the exact proportions I need. I'm going to be cooking some minced garlic and minced onion in a pan, and then I'm going to sear the fat or render the fat off of the steak. And then once I sear it, I'm gonna bring the temp down and make sure it gets cooked medium rare. And I'm going to take the balsamic vinaigrette glaze and I'm going to recook it with the rendered pieces of fat from the steak and the oils, so it will really bring another punch of flavor out. I plan to become a chef. I want to own my own restaurant, if not more than one. Just ever since I started school and people have actually tasted my food and told me how good I am at cooking, it's just pushed me even further